The emperor's new clothes. Many years ago, there lived an emperor who loved new clothes and spent all his money on them. He always wanted to look handsome and well dressed. One day, two strangers visited the emperor. They said that they made the most beautiful and finest cloth. But their cloth was visible only to the people who were smart and invisible to those who were stupid. The emperor was impressed and ordered them to make the best suit. Make it in 2 weeks for the royal procession. I shall wear it as I walk through the city. The emperor gave them gold thread and silk. The two men set up looms and started working. Every night, they hid some gold thread and silk and worked on empty looms. They were actually thieves who had come to make a fool of the emperor. The emperor was curious to know about his clothes, so he sent his minister to check. The minister went to the looms and was shocked to see the weavers sitting before the empty looms. "I can't see anything at all," he thought. Afraid of being shown stupid, he kept quiet. He told the emperor that the cloth was beautiful, but it was not ready yet. After a few days, the emperor himself went to see how the cloth looked. But he could see nothing at all. "Am I stupid?" thought the emperor as he looked at the empty looms. "It is really wonderful," lied the emperor. On the day of the procession, the thieves came with the imaginary clothes and uttered, "Your Majesty, here are your new clothes, which only the smart people of the kingdom will be able to see." The emperor could still see nothing at all. The emperor started wearing the imaginary clothes. The thieves praised him. Trusting the thieves, the emperor set off for the royal procession. He was actually not wearing any clothes. Everybody in the streets admired the emperor's new clothes. Although none could see the clothes, they did not admit it. They did not want to be considered stupid. Meanwhile, the two thieves packed all the gold thread and silk they had collected. They ran out of the palace and out of the city. They were delighted to cheat the emperor. The royal procession continued. People in the crowd foolishly praised the invisible clothes and the colors. The emperor was very happy. Suddenly, a small child shouted, "The emperor is not wearing any clothes." He laughed and pointed at the emperor. The other people also began to smile and laugh. The emperor was shocked to listen to this. But more to his surprise, all the other people also started shouting about the emperor's new clothes. The emperor realized that he had been befooled. He ordered the thieves to be arrested, but they had vanished from the city. They had taken all the money and the precious material with them. The emperor had learned a lesson, and he decided not to waste his time and money on the clothes. He went on to become a great emperor for his people.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.